Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the outline in the CSS. First, let's understand the difference between a border and an outline. An outline is drawn outside the boundary of the border. Also, the border width affects the total width and height of the HTML component, but the outline does not affect the total width and height of the HTML component. Let's see the code now. In the body tag, we have a paragraph tag with some text. In the style tag, we have written the CSS properties of the paragraph tag. Here we have set the outline color, outline style, and border style. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, the red line is the outline, and the black line is the border of the paragraph tag. As said earlier, the outline is drawn outside the boundaries of the border. Now, let's see different types of outlines. In the body tag, we have written different paragraph tags with different class names. In the style tag, we have written the CSS properties of these paragraph tags. Here we have set the common outline color for all the paragraph tags as blue. Then we have set individual outline styles for the different paragraph tags like this. Let's run this code in a browser. As you can see, we have given different outline styles to the different paragraph tags. So that's it. That's how you can implement an outline in the CSS. Thank you.